Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have just received a parcel from Nykaa. I had ordered something for my eyebrows. I'll tell you the exact name after I open it. This is something for my eyebrows. It is a little expensive. For some of y'all it might not be expensive, but for me, first time I'm spending so much for my eyebrows. But let's see if it is worth or not. First of all, how much ever makeup you do, but eyebrows gives a very beautiful look. So most of y'all won't be drawing your eyebrows, but I would say if y'all, if you don't do your eye makeup or your lip makeup, put lipstick on, definitely doing your eyebrows will look so nice. So you can see I have not done anything for my eyebrows. It is not even shaped actually, but of course I have done laser treatment sometime back, maybe 8-9 months back, but otherwise I have not done anything. So I'm gonna show y'all how it is gonna look. And this is the one, Cabro. It's called the Cabro. Let's see how it is. So it's come like this. This is the package of Cabro, and let's see how it works on me. I actually wanted to buy the microblading, what is it called, microblading tattoo pen, but as I read, a lot of reviews says that it dries out very quick, so you can use it only for 2-3 times and then the ink dries out. So this is a gel based. I have got a dark brown color, but I don't know if it is gonna suit my eyebrows, but let's see. Hoping for the best. I have my mirror to try it. Okay, so it's something like a nail polish, and there's a small brush. I think you need to dip it here and then use, no, okay. Oh, we need to completely open it. It's a gel base, and this had a very good review on it, so I ended up buying this. So I'm gonna try. It showed you just have to take very little and you can draw your eyebrows, but then I took less and nothing came out, but so I'm taking more. Okay, it is working. The reason why I got this was the eyebrow pencil which I use, or any eyebrow pencil in that case, doesn't stay long. So if you're gonna be out for the whole day and so it is gonna go off, and I have a tendency to just keep wiping my face for no reason and it all goes off. So I got this gel base eyebrow, what is it actually called, Cream Gel Brow, color with brush. That's what is on the box. So Cream Gel Brow. So okay, I think I am liking it, but I'm still gonna wait for the finishing, how it is gonna look. I don't draw too much in the beginning, but slightly give it a brush, because if I draw too much in the front it looks really fake. And I think this brown is actually fine. Oh look, so this is done and this is not done. I can see some gaps here, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill that too. Yeah, Great. So I'm gonna do this side also. Now after doing this, you all will realize how important it is to draw your eyebrows too. Yeah, I think it's good. Yeah, so I need to also check for how long it's gonna stay, and I will definitely let you all know about that too. Until then, we are gonna wait. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, because this is a new channel. So some of you all have subscribed to my old one and not the new one, because only 10% of my old subscribers have subscribed to this channel. So please do subscribe this channel too, and y'all have been supporting me from day one. Thank you so much for that. So let's see how long this stays. So I'm really liking this product, and it is waterproof. So I actually forgot to mention, it actually stayed for 5 hours. I really like the result, how it works. So the product is Cabro. If you're gonna purchase it, yeah, I love the product. Waterproof is what fascinated me a lot. Yeah, so if you like this video, please do like, share, and do subscribe to my channel, and also do follow me on Instagram and Facebook too. If you have any questions, do comment down below. So thank you. Bye bye.